Hello everyone! I am super excited to welcome you to my course Perfect Excel Charts. My name is Nikita Barsukov. I am a self-taught software developer and data scientist with more than 10 years of experience in the industry. I live in wonderful city of Copenhagen, Denmark, with my family, with my wife and 3 sons. And let's explore the structure of this course. What we will learn from this course. We'll start with exploring common elements of any visualizations and how to use them to improve any chart type. And after that, we will go through 4 most common chart types: a line chart, a bar chart, a scatter plot, and finally a histogram. Each of the sections about a particular chart types has the following structure. I will start with exploring what types of questions can a particular chart type answer and what is the meaning of each of the chart types. Then we will go through particular tricks and particular things that makes the particular chart type more effective. And then finally, we will have a practical demo in Excel. We will use a real-life nosy dataset to build the effective and nearly perfect chart type using the things that we discussed before. What is this course about and what makes this course special? The thing that makes this course special from my point of view is that it is focused on practical aspects of making an effective visualization. What do I mean by that? Well, first, a lot of time in this course I'm focused on the chart in isolation from any visualization tool. We explore chart elements, isolate aspects that improve the chart or make the chart worse. Second, I always start with question or message the chart conveys. Then we identify what to change in our chart to make our message clearer. And only after that, I launch Excel and demonstrate how to implement the findings from. And third thing is that I try to use the real-life datasets in this course. Why? 2 reasons. First, it's easier to relate to a data story based on real life, something that is real. And then the second thing is that we learn how to deal with noise and other inconsistencies that are very, very common in real life. And let's go through requirements for this course, and there are not that many of requirements, to be honest. Of course, you should have a computer that is able to play videos online. Then you should have Excel 365, the latest version with all the latest updates. I will use Windows 10 for the demos in Excel in this course. And then you should be able to find your way around. So you should have some very basic familiarity with Excel, things like basic formulas or autofill functionality, for example. Nothing advanced. Yes, so without further ado, let's start and let's explore and let's build good charts in Excel.